Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a BMW 3 Series guys, I'm talking about generation E90, E91, 92, 93. This is the 3 Series BMW from year 2005 to year 2013 guys. And you're trying to find where is the computer module, where is the module that controls the radiator cooling fan. Stay with us and we'll explain where it's located and what needs to be done to remove and replace it guys. Because many of you ask me where it's located. As you know, on some German vehicles, let's say Audi, Volkswagen, it used to be really easy to remove and replace. Even on Ford vehicles. On this BMW it's a little bit guys not so obvious where it is, and we'll explain about that as we go. Now if you want to see how to remove the radiator fan, we have the video on the channel where it explains everything from start to finish. Another thing guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on every car. You already know that probably if you have subscribed to the channel. But on this BMW 3 Series, we will have guys more than 400-500 videos. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video so we can keep providing that free information to you. So this is it, this is the radiator fan. Let me show you guys okay what we have here now, and I'm going to explain okay as we go about that stuff, okay, and where that control module is located and what needs to be done to remove and replace it. Once you remove the fan, you flip it on the inside, okay, and this is your fan guys. You will have an arrow, okay, which way it's spinning, okay, and that fan, you can see you have the arrow right there, it will be spinning this way. Okay, that's the position it will be spinning. If you flip it on the other side, okay, let's turn it all the way. What you have here, okay, that's guys the brain box for your fan. You have 4 cables going in it. One will be positive, one negative, the big ones on the outsides, and the little ones are the control cables that come from the engine computer. You have 2 of them, those are the ones that regulate the speed of your fan. And we'll have a special video that explains how to test that module coming on our channel guys, so please subscribe, we will explain how to test that module. But in order to remove and replace it, okay, that thing comes together, okay, in most cases with the okay fan motor. And in order to remove it guys, okay, what do you need to do? Right here you have 3 screws, big ones that you need to remove. We flip it on the other side, okay, let's flip it. You will have to guys remove the fan itself. You have 3 screws that you need to remove with the Torx, and all you have to do then just get the cables out, and the fan motor and the fan computer will come as one assembly guys. So if you're to the point that the module is done, probably okay, my bet will be just get a new radiator fan, and we'll have the link in the description of the video below that explains where you can get one from. Now if you guys have any more questions, if you want to see anything else, any certain repairs, drop a comment below. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.